What we have here is the companion robot. This robot will be positioned with the patient in their designated room and will monitor the patient at all times. It is made out of lightweight and sturdy materials. It also has 3 sensors. We have the ultrasonic distance sensor, the PIR, the sensor, and the temperature sensor here. It is also made out of 2 motors. We have the servo as well as the gear motor right here. This is a snapshot of the circuitry with the sensors and the motors, another as well with the distance sensor and the gear motor. And now we have a flowchart with the output, the input, and the start of the loop, where if the switch pin is high, we can see right away that everything will be turned off with the LED, the buzzer. And we also have the buttons here where if the nurse button is pressed, that the LED will turn blue. And if the transport button is high or it's pressed, the LED will turn green. And then we'll also call the corresponding robot nurse or transport. Now, if the PIR sensor has detected a fault, it'll produce a series of functions, one of which is will turn the alarm, the LED will turn red, and the servo will turn 180 as well. And this will result in the all the robots to be called in the room. Now, if the temperature is also less than or equal to 30 degrees, or if it's over 38 degrees, that the red LED pin will turn on, and if it's anywhere in between, that will be off. And this is the snapshot of the code that defines the pin, as well as the void loop as well. And here is another flowchart that detects where if the distance is over 27 inches, that the robot will go forward and the light will turn on. Now, if it's less than 10 inches, that will go reverse and the light will start to flash. And if it's anywhere in between, that the robot will just stop. And this is the code for that flow chart with the conditional statement, whether if it goes forward, reverse, or stop. Now we're going to go into the circuitry, where if we had, once we start the simulation here, again, if we press on the nurse button, that'll turn blue, transport will turn green, and if the PIR sensor, again, here detects the fall, that the red LED pin will turn on. There's the buzzer, there's the servo. Now, if we head over to the sensor, now, right now it's less than 30 degrees, so it's red. And if it's over 38, that'll be red as well. But anywhere in between, the red LED pin will turn on as well. Now moving over to the other here, where once we start the simulation, we're gonna make the robot move forward, as indicated by the gear motor, as well as the light. If it's less than 10 inches, that will be in reverse, negative value, no light. And if it's anywhere in between, that the robot will stop and no light.